The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer is versatile and easy to use in a multitude of ways. In this video, you'll learn how to create individual packs from the resealable roll. Unlock the sealing arm and pull a length of bag from the roll large enough to fit what you'll be sealing. The bag should be a maximum of 10.25 inches long to fit inside the appliance. Remember to leave at least 2 inches of extra room in the bag to allow enough space for the appliance to seal tightly. Place the length of bag material on the sealing platform. Align the edges of the bag material with the alignment guide. Close the sealing arm and press down on the sealing arm near the latch lock button until the sealing arm clicks into place. Only a little pressure applied to the end of the sealing arm is required to lock in place. Starting at one end of the sealing arm, slide the bag cutter all the way to the other side of the sealing arm to cut the bag material to your desired length. Always return the bag cutter to one end of the appliance before cutting. Press the Seal Only button to seal the bottom of the bag. The light next to the selected button will illuminate. When the bag is sealed, the light will turn off. Open the sealing arm to remove the bag. Position the bottom sealed bag horizontally on the sealing platform, dividing it in half. Click the sealing arm into place and once again press the Seal Only button. The bag is sealed and ready once the light turns off. Remove the bag. Fill the compartments with your chosen contents. Return the bag to the sealing platform, leaving 1 to 2 inches of free space above the bag's contents. Use the Seal Only button to seal the first 2 compartments. And repeat the process, remembering to leave 1 to 2 inches of free space at the top of the bag for final sealing. There are so many ways to utilize this technique. You can make your own vitamin packs, snack packs, baking ingredients, and so much more. Use scissors to cut down the middle of the seams to take your pack to go. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.